I'd just work with this structure. Recycle the lumber on the rest of it. For the price, she's a good deal. 4 acres of ground. Here's your farmstead, your cheap vacation property, power, well, septic, 4 acres. Little greenhouse. Somebody had a little pen for animals on the back of the property. See the gingerbreading? I think it could be tackled, but depends on the person and your Bob Vila skills and your drive and stamina or the size of your wallet. See where someone was working on the chimney? Got a granite foundation. Got an open porch. Help! I've fallen and I can't get up. This back garage shed is what has the roof problems. But the main home has some features. It's just been neglected. This had a 2-holer over in the corner. This is an old farmstead. But there's 4 acres and it's surveyed. Surrounded by woods on all 4 sides. You wouldn't know it's even in here. It's easy to blow by the driveway. Got some movement on your foundation. That happens with lack of heat and Mother Nature and Jack Frost working in tandem. That is one big slab of granite. Oil hot air furnace. Oops, we got some foundation problems here too. But is this just your camp? This rear barn is where you got some real problems. See where it's pulled away? Are you up for the task? Are you looking for an adventure? I think it could be brought back to life, but somebody may just get a hammer, crowbar, and take it apart, stack up the lumber, and build from scratch. I think the main original structure is too good to tear down, but you've got a roof that looks okay, chimneys too, but not your floor. Your floor in your living area around your kitchen has dropped, so you got some foundation issues. Come tackle it, check it out, see if you're up for the task. Apologize that the windows have been boarded in. People that own this property are from Florida and they just secure it when they left, but it's been quite a few years. Thank you very much for watching our Maine Real Estate channel. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and make lots of comments down below.